Good afternoon, guys. I just want to make a video because I just noticed after my last live, I don't know when I hit this, but I hit 400 subscribers thanks to you guys. I just want to make a video saying thank you to my subscribers, whether you're following me for eBay dropshipping, whether you're following me for Amazon dropshipping or private label, or whether you're following me for ClickFunnels or affiliate marketing, or just because you're following me because you know me personally. Thank you. Do me a favor, comment down below. I just want to know why you're following me, and the topic with the most comments down below will be my next video, and a shout out to you guys, like I said. And if you guys know anyone who's interested in eBay, Amazon dropshipping, or ClickFunnels, or affiliate marketing, please share this link to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to hit 500, baby. And yeah, guys, that's it. Also comment down below to see what other topics you guys want to know about. Yes, Johnny Mathis, I will be working on your SKU grid video. Thank you, sir, and have a safe drive to Florida. All right, guys, you guys have a good one. Thank you.